In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 1x1 pictures in Canva. If you need a perfect square image for IDs, profile photos, or forms that ask for a 1x1 picture, this simple method will give you a clean, accurate result every time. Start by opening Canva. On the top right, click the Create a Design button. A menu will open, and at the very bottom you'll see Custom Size. Select that. This is where you'll tell Canva exactly how big your canvas should be. By default, Canva shows sizes in pixels, which is great for screens. But if you are aiming for a true physical measurement, it's clearer to switch the unit. Use the drop-down to change from pixels to inches or centimeters. Most 1x1 photos are measured in inches, so choosing inches makes it straightforward. Now, enter 1 for the width and 1 for the height. This ensures the canvas is a perfect square measuring 1 inch by 1 inch. Click Create New Design, and Canva will open a blank 1x1 canvas in a new tab. You'll see a tiny square workspace. Don't worry if it looks small on screen. Canva scales the view so you can work comfortably while keeping the exact dimensions. Next, it's time to bring in your photo. On the left sidebar, click the Uploads tab, then choose Upload Files and select your image from your device. Once it appears in your Uploads panel, simply drag your photo onto the canvas. Right now it may not fill the square perfectly, and that's normal. To make it fit exactly, click on the image and choose Set Image as Background. Canva will instantly snap your photo to the edges of the 1x1 canvas, filling the entire space. This is the quickest way to get a precise square without manually resizing or guessing. Keep in mind that when an image is set as a background, Canva may crop the edges to fill the square. For portraits, try to use a photo where the subject is centered, and here is a little space around the head and shoulders, so nothing important gets cut off. If you notice that critical details are too close to the edges in your original image, a version with a bit more margin will usually produce a cleaner square. That's it. Thanks for watching.